If you are looking to run Facebook ads to promote or sell your products online, then this video is for you. With 2.7 billion active users, Facebook still offers businesses one of the largest audiences on earth to advertise their products, and 98.5% of Facebook's total revenue, nearly $70 billion, comes from companies doing just that. Hello everyone. My name is Saad and I am digital marketing expert. Before starting, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. What are Facebook ads? Facebook ads are online advertisements that target people based on their profile information, demographics, behavior, and location on Facebook. By advertising to people based on these criteria, you can use Facebook ads to create targeted ads for specific products, goals, and objectives. Facebook ads also offer companies a lot of options when it comes to how your ads appear to your audience. You can use not only still images, but videos, slideshows, and product collections to advertise your products, events, or content to a targeted audience. Once you create a Facebook ad, you're also in charge of the budget and how much you're willing to pay for each click and impression on your ad, giving you complete control over how your advertising money is spent. A step-by-step guide to running Facebook ads. 1. Create an account with Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook's Ad Manager is a sophisticated dashboard that provides users with an overview of all their campaigns. Up front, the dashboard highlights an estimate of how much you are spending each day. The dashboard is organized by columns, which makes it easy to filter through your ads, so you can create a custom view of your results. Key numbers like reach, frequency, and cost are readily available, making reporting on performance a no-brainer. In order to use the Facebook Ads Manager, you'll need a Facebook business page. Follow these steps. Navigate to https://www.facebook.com/business/tools/ads-manager. Click the button that says Go to Ads Manager. Confirm your information on the ad account setup page. Set up your payment method. Save changes. 2. Start creating an ad through Facebook's Ads Manager. Once you log into the Ads Manager, you'll see a performance dashboard where all of your campaigns, ad sets, and ads will be listed, including the results they've driven for your Facebook page. Unless you've already created an ad for your Facebook page, this dashboard will be empty. To create a new campaign, ad set, or ad through the Facebook Ad Manager, tab over to the type of ad you want to create and click the green Create button to far left of these ad types, as shown below. You can see from this screenshot that we're currently set to create a new campaign. 3. Choose an objective. Facebook's Ads Manager, like many social media advertising networks, is designed with your campaign objective in mind. Before getting started, Ads Manager will prompt you to choose an objective for your campaign. There are 11 different objectives to choose from. The list includes everything from general brand awareness, to getting in stores of your app, to increasing traffic to your online store. By choosing one of these objectives, you're giving Facebook a better idea of what you'd like to do so they can present you with the best suited ad options. Brand awareness, reach, website traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, store traffic. I hope that you are liking the video. Please subscribe to the channel. 4. Choose your audience. Your next step is to configure your target audience. You can do this for each ad set that belongs to the same campaign. If you're just starting out with paid advertising on Facebook, it's likely that you have to experiment with several different targeting options until you reach an audience that fits just right. To help you narrow your focus, Facebook's targeting criteria are accompanied by an audience definition gauge. This tool, located to the right of the audience targeting fields, takes all of your selected properties into consideration in order to come up with a potential reach number. If you're wavering between choosing a specific audience over a broad one, consider your objective. If you're looking to drive traffic, you'll probably want to focus on the type of people you know will be interested in your offering. However, if you're looking to build brand awareness or promote a widely appealing offer, feel free to focus on a more general audience. Facebook's built-in targeting is vast, including options such as location, age, gender, languages, relationship, education, work, financial, home, ethnic affinity, generation, parents, politics, US only, life events, interests, behaviors, connections. You also have the option to select a custom audience. This allows you to target people on Facebook who are in your company's contact database, visited a page on your website that has a tracking pixel, or use your app or game. To learn more about how to set up a custom audience on Facebook, check out these instructions. And for more on the specifics of these criteria, visit this Facebook targeting resource. Once you find a group that responds well to your ads, Facebook allows you to save these audiences to be used again later, so you may not need to dive into this step once you've been running Facebook ads for a while. 5. Set your budget. Facebook allows you to set either a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Here's how they differ from each other. Daily budget. If you want your ad set to run continuously throughout the day, this is the option you want to go for. Using a daily budget means that Facebook will pace your spending per day. Keep in mind that the minimum daily budget for an ad set is $1 United States dollars and must be at least 2x your CPC. Lifetime budget. If you're looking to run your ad for a specified length of time, select lifetime budget. This means Facebook will pace your spend over the time period you set for the ad to run. To further specify your budgeting, turn to the advanced options. This option is linked at the bottom of the screenshot shown above. This section allows you to specify a few things. Schedule. Choose whether or not you want your campaign to run immediately and continuously, or if you want to customize the start and end dates. You can also set parameters so that your ads only run during specific hours and days of the week. Optimization and pricing. Choose whether or not you want to bid for your objective, clicks, or impressions. This will alter how your ad is displayed and paid for. By doing so, you'll pay for your ad to be shown to people within your target audience that are more likely to complete your desired action, but Facebook will control what your maximum bid is. If you don't want Facebook to set optimal bids for you, you want to opt for manual bidding. This option awards you full control over how much you're willing to pay per action completed. However, Facebook will provide a suggested bid based on other advertisers' behavior to give you a sense of what you should shoot for. Delivery. Delivery type falls under two categories: standard and accelerated. Standard delivery will show your ads throughout the day, while accelerated delivery helps you reach an audience quickly for time-sensitive ads. Note: this option requires manual bid pricing. 6. Create your ad. What do you want your ad to look like? It all depends on your original objective. If you're looking to increase the number of clicks to your website, Facebook's Ad Manager will suggest the clicks to website ad options. Makes sense, right? This ad option is broken down into two formats: links and carousels. Essentially, this means that you can either display a single image ad, links, or a multi-image ad, carousel, with 3 to 5 scrolling images at no additional cost. The links ad will be displayed like this. The carousel ad will be displayed like this. Once you decide between the two, you need to upload your creative assets. It's important to note that for each type of ad, Facebook requires users to adhere to certain design criteria. For single image ads, Facebook asks that users adhere to the following design recommendations. Text: 125 characters. Ad headline: 25 characters. Image ratio: 1.91:1. Image resolution, including CTA, 1080x 1080 pixels. For multi-image ads, also known as carousel ads, Facebook provides the following design recommendations. Recommended image size: 1080x 1080 pixels. Image ratio: 1:1. Text: 125 characters. Headline: 40 characters. Link description: 20 characters. Keep in mind that these are the ad options for the traffic objective. If you selected Boost Your Posts, you'd be presented with different ad options like the page post engagement. Photo ad. This ad has a unique set of design recommendations. To explore all of the ad options and their design specifics, refer to this resource. Once you select an ad type, the Ads Manager will prompt you to identify how you'd like to display your ad. The options they provide are as follows: desktop news feed, mobile news feed, and desktop right column. 7. Monitor your ads' performance metrics. Once your ads are running, you want to keep an eye on how they're doing. To see the results, you want to look in two places: the Facebook Ad Manager and your marketing software. According to Facebook, here are some of the key metrics to look for and their definitions. Performance can be customized further to include metrics like results, reach, frequency, and impressions. Engagement can be customized further to include metrics like page likes, page engagement, and post engagement. Videos can be customized further to include metrics like video views and average % of video viewed. Website can be customized further to include metrics like website actions, all, checkouts, payment details, purchases, and adds to cart. Apps can be further customized to include metrics like app installs, app engagement, credit spends, mobile app actions, and cost per app engagement. Events can be further customized to include metrics like event responses and cost per event response. Clicks can be further customized to include metrics like clicks, unique clicks, CTR, click-through rate, and CPC, cost per click. Settings can be further customized to include metrics like start date, end date, ad set name, ad ID, delivery, bid and objective. Regardless of which of these metrics you use to measure the success of your advertising efforts, you can find the data in the Ads Manager. As you analyze, you'll be thinking about your data in 4 main ways, depending on how granular you need to get: the account level, the campaign level, the ad set level, the ad level. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, press